Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set mobile hotspot on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to connections. Then go to mobile hotspot and tethering. And turn on the button against mobile hotspot. And click OK. Click over mobile hotspot. Here you can change many things like network name, password, band, auto hotspot, one-time password, etc. Here click on network name, and here you can change network name, that is mobile hotspot name. Here mobile hotspot name by default it is as Galaxy S23 Ultra. Okay, I would like to keep Galaxy S23 Ultra only. Okay, then in password you can set a password. Okay, password should be minimum 8 characters. Okay, if you don't want to use any password, click on security and select open. Otherwise use any password. Okay, here I would like to keep it open for demo purpose. Okay, then click on band, and here you can select band. 5 gigahertz preferred, but if it is better to use 2.4 gigahertz. Then click on save. Okay, now mobile hotspot is active, and bring any other mobile and connect this mobile hotspot to another mobile. Here I have another mobile, and in another mobile go to Wi-Fi. Long press on the Wi-Fi, and you will be receiving the signal from your phone, that is mobile hotspot from Galaxy S23 Ultra. Okay, click on it and it will be connecting. If it is no password, it will be directly connecting. If you set any password, it will ask here password, and you have to enter that password to connect. Okay, now mobile hotspot is successfully connected to other mobile, and mobile data can be shared from this Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra to this phone. Okay, so if Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has internet, that can also be accessed here in this phone. Okay, so here I am checking whether it's sharing or not. Yes, it's sharing. So in this way you can easily set mobile hotspot and share it mobile hotspot to other devices. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.